Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best snack containers is probably one of the most versatile and essential items for anyone who enjoys on-the-go snacking or meal prepping, offering a convenient and hygienic way to store and transport your favorite treats without the mess. These containers are designed to keep your snacks fresh, prevent spills, and make portion control a breeze, whether you're packing a lunch for work, sending snacks to school with your kids, or simply organizing your pantry at home. Their portability and durability make them a go-to solution for busy lifestyles, ensuring you always have a healthy snack option readily available. Number 5. Stackman 2 ounces. Plastic portion containers with lids. Introducing our 2 ounces portion containers, designed to provide the perfect serving for any need. Made from durable, crack-resistant polypropylene, they are ideal for a wide range of food service applications. Our containers feature leak-proof lids that create an airtight seal. This ensures long-lasting freshness and prevents spills, keeping your food secure and mess-free. Showcase your offerings with a premium look. The crystal clear appearance and superb lid fit add an upscale accent to everything from jello shots to sauces. Maintain excellent portion control to reduce waste and enhance business efficiency. These 2 ounces cups are perfect for consistent servings of dressings, butters, or condiments. This package includes 200 sets of cups and lids, making it easy to stock up and save. They are a great solution for serving condiments efficiently for dine-in or carry-out. Rest assured, our lids are made from high-quality, BPA and phthalate-free PET plastic. They offer strength, sturdiness, and flexibility for reliable use. What we like? These small containers offer a crystal-clear view of your contents, perfect for showcasing impulse buys like jello shots or specialty sauces. Their airtight, leak-proof lids ensure no messes during transport. If you're a food vendor or caterer looking to present your small portions attractively and securely, these are an excellent choice. What people say. These containers are perfect for packing snacks for my kids. They are sturdy and don't leak. I love that these containers are stackable. It makes it so much easier to store them in my pantry. The lids snap on securely, so I don't have to worry about my snacks spilling in my bag. Number 4. 32 ounces sturdy leak-proof 2-compartment meal prep containers with lids. Introducing our convenient meal prep containers, designed to make your lunch routine a breeze. These containers are leak-proof and airtight, keeping your food fresh and delicious. Our innovative lids ensure your meals stay securely sealed, preventing spills and maintaining freshness. Enjoy your food just as you prepared it, anytime, anywhere. Perfect for work, travel, or restaurant takeout, these containers are incredibly versatile. Use them for salads, sandwiches, snacks, and all your favorite meals, hot or cold. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade plastic, these containers are built to last. They are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, withstanding a wide range of temperatures. With a stackable and lightweight design, storage is a breeze. This set provides a practical and eco-friendly solution for all your food storage needs. We prioritize your health and satisfaction. Made from BPA-free materials, these containers offer durability and flexibility, ensuring they won't easily crack or get damaged. What we like? With 2 separate compartments, these containers are ideal for keeping your main course and sides distinct, preventing sogginess and flavor mixing. They are also microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. If you're looking for a versatile meal prep solution for work or travel that can handle hot or cold meals and is easy to clean, these are a fantastic option. What people say. The containers are sturdy and don't leak, perfect for packing snacks for my kids. I love how easily these stack in my pantry, saving a lot of space. The lids snap on securely, ensuring no spills when I'm on the go. Number 3. ALFEVA reusable snack containers. Enjoy your meals anywhere with our innovative dual-compartment snack box. Its leak-proof design keeps food fresh and separate, perfect for school, work, or travel. Encourage healthy habits with these perfectly sized containers. They help control portions for kids and adults, supporting balanced diets and weight management goals. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade plastic, these containers are built to last. They are microwave and freezer safe, offering convenience for your busy lifestyle. Save space with our lightweight and stackable design. They fit easily into bags and can be neatly stored in your fridge or cupboards. These containers are designed for convenience. They are easy to clean and reusable, making them a sustainable choice for your daily snacks and meals. We are dedicated to providing excellent customer service. If you have any issues with your purchase, please contact us for a prompt resolution. What we like. These reusable containers feature a dual compartment design, perfect for packing balanced snacks or meals for kids and adults alike. Their lightweight and stackable nature makes them easy to carry and store. If you prioritize portion control for healthy eating, need a convenient option for on-the-go snacks, or want a reusable solution for school lunches, these are a great fit. What people say. These containers are perfect for packing snacks for my kids. They are sturdy and don't leak. I love how compact these containers are. They fit easily into my lunch bag and don't take up much space. The lids snap on securely, which is great for preventing spills. My toddler can even open them easily. Number 2. Wuadua 8-ounce paper soup containers with lids. Introducing our value pack of 50, 8-ounce paper food cups with vented lids. This set is designed to meet your diverse needs, saving you time, effort, and money. Crafted from high-quality materials, these containers are built to last and resist bending or denting. The lids fit snugly, ensuring no leaks even with hot liquids. These disposable bowls are perfect for keeping your food warm and fresh. They maintain their sturdiness even after refrigeration, making them ideal for various food storage needs. Make a sustainable choice with our recyclable paper containers. They offer an excellent alternative to plastic, contributing to a healthier planet. The perfect size for a variety of uses, from quick snacks and drinks on the go to art projects. These all-purpose cups are incredibly versatile for everyday life. Designed for both professional and personal use, these containers are perfect for restaurants, catering services, and everyday food storage needs. What we like. Made from sturdy, recyclable paper, these containers are an eco-friendly alternative for hot or cold foods like soup, noodles, or salads. The included vented lid helps maintain food temperature and prevent spills. If you're hosting an event, running a takeout service, or simply need disposable containers for warm meals and want to minimize environmental impact, these are a solid choice. What people say. These containers are perfect for packing snacks for my kids. They are sturdy and don't leak. I love how compact these containers are. They fit easily into my lunch bag and don't take up much space. The lids snap on securely, so I don't have to worry about my snacks spilling out. They are also easy to open and close. Number 1. Obfuscate 20-set snack containers. Keep your snacks and sauces separate with our innovative dual compartment design. It prevents flavors from mixing, ensuring your food tastes just right. Our containers feature a secure, leak-proof seal, perfect for carrying liquids or solids on the go. You can trust that your food will stay contained, no matter where you are. Made from food-grade PP5 material, these containers are safe for you and your family. They are also microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher safe, offering ultimate convenience. Designed for life on the move, they are lightweight and easy to carry. They are your ideal companion for travel, work, or outdoor adventures. From snacks and fruits to candies and chocolates, these containers are incredibly versatile. They are suitable for lunches, meal prep, parties, and for both kids and adults. What we like. These reusable containers boast a double compartment design to keep different foods separate and maintain their original flavors. The leak-proof seal makes them ideal for carrying on the go without worry. If you need a practical and safe option for portion-controlled snacks, sauces, or meals for work, travel, or camping, and appreciate the convenience of being microwave and dishwasher safe, these are a great pick. What people say. The containers are sturdy and don't leak. Perfect size for packing snacks for my toddler. Easy to clean and reuse. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.